Hey folks, welcome to the Garden Canvas. I wanted to share with you some of the success that we've had with Dollar Tree seeds. That's right, Dollar Tree. Great quality seeds at a very low cost. We've had great success with them, and that's what this video is designed to do. I wanted to share just some brief video of success that we had this past season, particularly in the season of summer. And so I wanted to share some of those images with you so you can get an idea of what you can expect when you buy Dollar Tree seeds and sow them. So here we go. This is actually carpet of snow alyssum, which is a great plant to have in your garden for bringing in beneficials. Low growing, great to put in your flower beds, and especially good for your vegetable garden as well, because it'll bring in those beneficial insects that'll help take care of those pests that none of us like in our garden. From our experience, the flowers that we grew from the Dollar Tree seeds really brought in the beneficials and really brought in the butterflies and the pollinators. As you can see, this monarch butterfly on a coneflower. These are mixed zinnias, Oklahoma mix, pomelo, some of the dwarf zinnia varieties that were in some of their flower mixes, and just very, very popular with bees and butterflies of all kinds. Lots of color it adds to the garden, very high production. Especially if you keep them cut for cut flowers and bring those flowers in, you'll get more and more flower production from those. Now, we had a lot of success with the zinnias, but we had success with the bachelor buttons. We had success with the mixed wildflowers, with the cosmos. So there's so many options there. Shasta daisies. They offer a lot of different varieties. Definitely recommend the zinnias if you want butterflies. Now, these right here are cactus zinnias. You can see by that unique petal structure that they have. We've got some Oklahoma mix in here. And you can see a variety of different sizes. That's a large cactus zinnia there. And that gives you a pretty good idea of the size. These are Bright Lights Cosmos, kind of airy and wispy in the wind. It's a small one coming up there in the middle of the summer. These will self-seed. Now, in addition to the warm season annuals, you can also sow cool season annuals that are hardy as well in the wintertime. This is a bit of mulch that I sowed directly. I just scattered the seeds of bachelor button, larkspur, and poppies. So there's some California poppies and larger blooming poppies in this bed. And you can see the seedlings are already coming up. I sowed these in November. And here it is in January. You can see the plants are coming up very strongly. They'll survive through the winter, particularly in my zone of Zone 8, and they'll be ready to bloom in the spring, producing a lot of blooms with very healthy plants because they survive through the winter. So you can also do that as well and enjoy some early blooms and then succeed those with your zinnias and other hardy warm season annuals. So I hope this was helpful to you guys. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.